Welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Tonight I have a great plant unboxing here from Miles to Go. Just did a summer update and I was lucky enough to catch the site a day after and got all the plants that I wanted. None were sold out and got some great cacti and euphorbia, some succulents. So let's get it going. If you have a chance, please like and subscribe, and then let's get it started right now. Got first up, nice. We have Ariocarpus, Cochabiatus, Elephantidens. Oh, really nice. Pretty great roots. Second here. Woo! I like these. I liked them the first time I got from Miles to Go, so I got more. This one's gonna be Ariocarpus Physerotus, subspecies Physerotus. Got two more of those. Probably my favorite Ariocarpus. Love the Physerotus. There we go. It's gonna be another little Haworthia Cooperi truncata. Yeah, Haworthia Cooperi truncata. See what we have here. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. It's a Euphorbia Nuthii. I saw a mature plant. This one looks like it's got a little bit of the heat. It's been really hot out here. It's in the mailbox there. It's 112 today, 115 tomorrow. So glad to get these out of the package. This forms like almost like a bulb at the base, and they grow out from there. Looks super cool when they are more mature. So can't wait to grow that one. What we got here? Oh, nice. This one's gonna be a Ariocarpus Saueri, and it is Septen trianalis. Fun name to pronounce. Got two of those. Always kind of trying to find more Ariocarpus. Just love them. Don't take up a ton of space in the greenhouse either, so that's awesome. All right, we got a bigger one. Woo! Oh, I've been wanting these. They latch on. So these are gonna be Mammillaria Perez de la Rosa, subspecies Perez de la Rosa. They have some really like trendy variants. I believe it's Andersonii, but these are super cool. Black spines. Love it. Wanted to get these, so got a couple of those. Add to the collection. Always try to like get two to pollinate them because I love trying to make seeds. Oh, there we go. This one we got Epilantha Ugaspina. Got two of those. Looks like a little flower up the top there. That would be nice. But love Epilantha, love the Micromeris, got Bochii. I think this is gonna be my fourth type of epilantha. All right. Ooh, this is a good one. So I started with some grafts here now, bigger ones. This is gonna be, just did a video on Cleistocactus straussii, the silver torch. This is gonna be the Cleistocactus straussii crest. Oh, super cool. Almost like furry on the top there. Cleistocactus straussii. It's gonna be a fun crest to grow. Oh, neat. So this is a unique one. I was glad to get it. It's gonna be 2 of them. Ooh, get me. So this is gonna be Cactus polyps. So it's actually like a polyp that grew onto a cactus, I think maybe 20, 30 years ago, and they created like these little like variegated polyps, and really, really cool to grow. You just graft a little piece on and then they grow these kind of funky polyps off of them. I believe I have a second one in here as well. See if that's it. Nope. That's the last one there, but we got the second polyp here. Oh, nice. Yeah, I can kind of show the name on this one. So it's going to be Cactus polyp. But this one's got a unique one. Yeah, it almost looks like a gymno. Right there, Mahanovich, right there, just coming out like straight red. But then the polyp comes off on the side. These are gonna be really interesting to grow and see what kind of crazy stuff grows off of them. So thank you for doing that, Miles. He always has some interesting grafts. Every time he updates, has like 3, 4 things he's been working on. This is another cool one. This is the last one here. Have a graft here. It's a Ariocarpus macrocell, subspecies macrocell. Sorry for the pronunciation if it's wrong, but it's a crest. So crested Ariocarpus grafted up there, so that'll be cool to see that grow. Thick root structure, like thick roots, the size of a finger. Here's everything laid out now. And then let's just kind of transform this and get these all potted up. All right, we have everything potted up now. Gonna start to the left. These are the Myrtillocalicium polyps. Did a little bit more research. It's a chimera from the graft of a Gymnocalicium and Myrtillocactus. So really cool there. It's the Euphorbia nuthii. Have it a little propped up there. And then we have the graft of the Cleistocactus straussii crest. We'll go back to the graft of the Ariocarpus macrocell graft right there. That's a crest. Come in front with the Mammillaria Perez de la Rosas. In the back side here, we have the 2 Ariocarpus saurii septentrionalis and 2 of the Physerotus, Ariocarpus in the middle there, subspecies Physerotus. And then you have the Haworthia cooperi truncata in the back, the Ariocarpus cochabianus elephantidens right there in the center. And then last we have the Epilantha ugaspina with the beautiful little flower coming out. But just gonna get these out here for a couple of hours, get some heat to them, then take them back inside, and then just keep up in their temperature here until get them into the greenhouse. We'll see you on the next video.